My name is Rosanne and I believe that everybody can make something beautiful. You don't have to be a professional artist to enjoy both the process and the end result. And here in my Patreon community, I will prove that to you. With my step-by-step guidance, handy tips and insider tricks, you'll be amazed at what lovely pieces you can create. All you need is some time to practice, a few art materials and loads of enthusiasm. In my real-time tutorials, I like to focus on colorful landscapes and galaxies, but I also like to branch out every now and then to realistic painting, geometric art, or creating greeting cards you can send to your mom. The one thing all my artworks have in common, they're fun to make and easy on the eyes. And most importantly, it makes me happy to create them, and exactly that is what I want to teach you. I have 3 membership tiers here on Patreon. If you just want to make a small donation every month, you can. You can support my art by becoming a supporter for only $1 a month. You will get access to line drawings of a lot of my paintings, so you can print them, trace them and recreate them at home. For $4 a month, you can become a student. And as a student, you have access to one exclusive tutorial every month. And that tutorial is real-time and voiced over with all the tips and tricks that I know of. For $10 a month, you can become a friend of the channel. And friends get access to everything my Patreon has to offer. And in addition, I'll send you a handmade birthday card and a little present on your birthday. So, join me on Patreon and let's get artsy together.